Welcome to the class, children. How are you all? I hope all are you fine. We are in 9th class social studies, our Earth. Part 4, our Earth. Children, let us we discuss here identifying the continents in hemispheres. Children, observe these pictures. The eastern hemispheres comprises most of Africa, about of Antarctica, all of Asia and Australia, Oceania, and the most of Europe. The western hemisphere comprises about half of Antarctica and all of North and South America. The northern hemisphere comprises all of North America, the north reaches of the South America, about two-thirds of Africa, all of Asia excluding part of Indonesia, and all of Europe. The southern hemisphere comprises most of South America, one-third of Africa, all of Antarctica, small part of Indonesia, and all of Australia and or Oceania. Children, let us see here longitudes and question of time. Observe this world map, children, clearly. The time taken from the sun to move 1 degree of longitude is 4 minutes. This represents that each degree of longitude has different time period. For example, when the sun is at 10 degree east longitude, the local time is 12 noon, whereas it is 11:56 am at 9 degree east and 12:04 pm at 11 degrees east. Observe, children. Thus, the time zone is divided into 24 standard time zones from east to west, starting from Greenwich Meridian, with width of each zone approximately 15 degrees of longitude. This is because the difference between two consecutive time zones is 1 hour, that is 15 degrees of longitudes multiplied by 4 minutes for longitude is equal to 60 minutes. That means its time taken 1 hour. Observe this map, children. Time and longitude, 24 time zones here. The problem with these time zones is that for some countries there exists more than one time zone with less than 1 hour time division. For instance, take India, which would have two of our hours time zones because the time between western and eastern part of India differ from half an hour. This kind of constructive poses many complications to us. Thus, some countries choose the time according to the meridian that pass through their territory called as standard time. Standard time. What is meaning of standard time here? It is a synchronization of clocks in different geographical location within a time zone to a common time standard based on the meridian at the center of the time zone. For example, Indian Standard Time of India. Some facts regarding latitude and longitudes are listed below. Latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. To avoid confusion in time, the central longitude, that is 82 degree 30 minutes east, is considered as the standard meridian for India and is the reference for IST, that means Indian Standard Meridian, Indian Standard Time, which is 5.5 hours ahead of Greenwich Mean Time, that means GMT. Observe this map, children, is India. As the earth rotates an axis, there will be a time difference while traveling from west to east and east to west. While traveling from west to east, a person gained 4 minutes of time as she across every longitude called EGA, that means east gain added. And while traveling from east to west, she lost 4 minutes as she across every longitude, that means WLS, that means west loss subtracted. Okay children, are you understood? Now let us see the summary over what we learned in this chapter. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. The word earth is derived from Greek word erod, which refers the ground, soil, dry land. In our solar system, Earth is the third planet and the distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 150 million kilometers. The Earth's atmosphere is composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% of other gases. According to scientists, universe and was started some 13.7 billion years ago with a theory called Big Bang. Similar to all the other planets of our solar system, the Earth rotates on its own axis, which is nearly circular and goes around the Sun in a fixed path called an orbit. In the initial stages, Earth was a ball of swirling dust and cloud which passed through a molten stage and then was bombarded by massive rocks and other meteorites from the space constantly. Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist and the geophysicist in the earlier 20th century, postulated the theory of continental drift, which explained the present system of continents and ocean basin. A network of latitudes and longitudes drawn on a globe is called grid. Latitudes is derived from the Latin word the latitudo, which refers to width. These imaginary lines was drawn horizontally on the surface of the earth and known as parallels. Equator is the horizontal circle around the earth that is exactly at the center and at the equal distance from the north and south poles. Longitudes is derived from the Latin word that is longitudo, which means length, which indicates length or heights of the map. Longitudes are semicircles that are connected from pole to pole. A longitude running from pole to pole which passes through Greenwich, England is called as a prime meridian or Greenwich meridian or 0 degree meridian. The time zone is divided into 24 standard time zones from east to west starting from Greenwich meridian with width of each zone approximately 15 degrees of longitude. Standard time. It is the synchronization of clocks in different geographical locations within a time zone to a common time standard based on the meridian at the center of the time zone. Children, thank you.